Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that is becoming very obvious with the Consumer Electronics Show, the different demos that were presented by Microsoft, by its partners, and the fact that, sometimes we have hints of new things coming around. Sometimes we see pages that we shouldn't see. This time around, none of that is happening. It is absolutely obvious that 2025 is not the year of Windows 12. There will be no Windows 12 in 2025, and it's so intense, the battle Microsoft is actually giving with Windows 11, that some are tempted to say that even 2026 might not see a Windows 12. So this is going to be interesting to look at, because Windows 11 is moving on. We're at, more than 3 years now. And we'll be at 4 years. Usually around 5 years is when they take it easy. So technically 2026 would be the perfect year to release a new Windows. But a lot of the analysts are saying, well, you know what? The move and the pressure of selling us Copilot+ PCs with NPUs and recall and AI is actually the main driver, and they're pushing Windows 11 full speed ahead. So you wanted Windows 12 this year? Forget it. There's no Windows 12 this year, that's for sure. And we'll, of course, see what Windows 12 could be, if it could be in 2026. One thing for sure, Windows 12 will be an extension of Windows 11. It will be Copilot+PC driven and AI driven for sure, and maybe even more than Windows 11 is right now. So if you were waiting for Windows 12, don't wait. If you were waiting for buying a PC because Windows 12 is coming, or and just don't wait. But do buy something very modern if you wish your PC to actually continue still being used in case Windows 12 appears at some point, maybe in 2 years from now. But this is very, very interesting. So no Windows 12, guys, and absolutely no hint of any Windows 12 right now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.